Good afternoon, students. This is a clip about how to firstly identify a 3D object and how to label those properties on the 3D objects. Now, firstly, I can see that this object we have here is 3D and not 2D because it has three different dimensions and properties on it. It has length, height, and width going back. As well as I can see three different properties on the object. I can see the faces, the flat surfaces on the outside of the object. I can see the edges that connect two faces, and I can see the vertices that meet on the outside of our edges. Now, to label my object, I will count how many faces there are on the object. So I have one here, a triangular face, another one on the side, one at the back, one on the side, and then one down the bottom. So that means I have 5 faces. The next property I want to find out is how many edges it has. Okay, so those are the lines that are connecting two faces. So there's one here on the outside, there's one at the back, there's one on the side there, and there's one at the front. But we're not done yet. There's still edges on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was 8 edges altogether. The last property that we have to label is the vertices or the corners of the object. We can easily identify these by seeing where the edges come together. So we have a vertex here, 2 vertices, 3 vertices, 4 vertices. But you can't forget the one up the top. Sometimes that is called an apex, but we will call it a vertex for now. So that is 5 vertices. And there you have it. That is how to identify your 3D object and label it with the properties.